Hello there. Happy New Year to all of our partners and customers from around the world. First of all, and most importantly, I hope that you're all keeping safe and well. As you can see, I'm recording this video from home. In addition to the COVID restrictions here in Spain, Storm Filomena has meant that many of us in Madrid are unable to travel freely. We had about 50 centimeters of snow last Friday night, and many of the roads are still blocked. Here at UAV Navigation, we have placed special emphasis on the safety of our employees over the past year, and I'm happy to report that we have had absolutely no hospitalizations as a result of the virus. We have been minimizing time spent physically in the office, and I have to say that our team has adapted really well to working remotely. 2020 was a difficult year for most businesses, with the problems caused by the pandemic as well as the resulting economic uncertainty. Like many other companies, at the beginning of the year, UAV Navigation had to adapt quickly, and so we did this with two clear objectives in mind. Firstly, to protect our employees and their families, and by extension the company. And secondly, to continue to develop cutting-edge products and services for the professional UAV industry, but with a special emphasis on providing the support that our customers have needed during this difficult time. The following are just a selection of what we achieved in 2020, even though we were working remotely. Our ground control station software, Visionaire, has been improved, adding lots of new functionality for executing and monitoring UAV missions. Visionaire is now able to control UAVs using flight plans based on a mobile reference, for example, when the GCS is mounted on board a ship. Similarly, the reference might be a mobile target on the ground. We have implemented alternative landing flight plans, which enables safe routing to the landing site around no-fly zones. Multiple flight plans can now also be loaded for a single mission, which adds great flexibility to UAV mission planning. Also, a new functionality to allow actions on waypoints. For example, for the UAV to loiter for a given time at a waypoint, drop off a payload, or perhaps take a photo of a particular point on the map. Visionaire now also includes 3D visualization of the UAV in flight, which helps with operator situational awareness and assists in training. Lastly, we have added a sense and avoid capability to the system when the UAV is equipped with a suitable transponder, and this increases safety. You can check out the full details of these and other improvements in the GCS software section of our website, which by the way is also now available in Spanish. In addition to the GCS software, we launched some exciting new products and solutions, such as the following. The Vector 400 Autopilot, designed specifically for aerial target platforms. This means that the Vector has now become a family of products, allowing customers to choose the hardware that best suits their requirements. The Polar 500 was also launched this year. This is a great new hardware product for manufacturers looking for a compact and inexpensive pointing and stabilization solution. For example, for SATCOM antennas or cameras mounted on an aircraft, or perhaps a ship or land-based vehicles. Together with the existing Polar 300 unit, this means that we now offer a family of attitude and heading reference systems, again allowing us to tailor the solution precisely for each customer. We have introduced two completely new simulators. The Vector Hill, or Hardware in the Loop simulator, which allows users to simulate real UAV missions using the actual hardware and software that will be used on board a real UAV, including a full 3D visualization of the UAV in flight to enhance monitoring the mission. This is an advanced development tool which we believe is the most compact and advanced UAV system simulator on the market. The Vector SIL, or Software in the Loop simulator, is an extremely cost-effective simulator in the form of a USB dongle which can be used for simple operator training via the Visionaire interface. The last new development I want to mention is our new Vtol flight control solution for vertical takeoff and landing UAVs. Whilst there are a number of manufacturers offering this type of airframe, finding an autopilot capable of flying a Vtol UAV has been problematic until now. We have developed a system based on our standard Vector autopilot, which requires no external hardware. The solution is offered as a software upgrade. Unlike other systems, ours is fully automatic from takeoff through to landing, with the system controlling the transitions from vertical to horizontal flight and vice versa, completely automatically. Our technical teams have also been working on some really interesting new R&D developments, such as a visual navigation system to massively reduce navigation error in GPS-denied environments. Again, please check out our website for more information about all of these new developments. Aside from product development, we have made great advances in extending our partner network around the world. I want to mention just one of them, an exciting new partnership which we have established this year. In September, we signed a strategic alliance between UAV navigation and a major Spanish aerospace company, Tecnobit, which is part of the OSCA group. Together, the two companies are now working on important new UAV programs, such as the Spanish Ministry of Defence's CIATAP, Medium Altitude Long Endurance, or MALE UAV system, and also the European Future Combat Air System, which is a multinational initiative between France, Germany and Spain to provide a next-generation jet fighter, which will also have a UAV or remote carrier element. So you can see we've been busy and the future is looking bright. I want to thank all of the employees in UAV navigation who have really stepped up to the plate over the past year. The fact that we have avoided the worst of the virus and that we have been able to make real progress in so many areas under such difficult circumstances is proof of the quality and commitment of the people who work at UAV navigation. I am proud of each and every one of them. Gracias, chicos. In closing, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the growing list of customers who have placed their trust in our company and our systems. I guarantee that we will continue to work hard to keep that trust into 2021 and beyond. Please stay safe, and we wish you all a very happy new year.